today. I have an unboxing video. The box is so big, I can't fit it up here on my desk. I mean, it's just huge. Look, I'll show you. I'll try not to make you dizzy. But look, holy cow. It's this ginormous box of goodness from Little Birdie Crafts, and I thought we could open it together and see what's inside. I opened the box, but I haven't really looked at what's in here. So I'm just going to start grabbing stuff out. I heard from Rashmi. She texted me and said, hey, do you need any flowers? And I said, yes. How did you know? She said I could feel it. I could sense it. So I expected a few flowers, but holy cow, look at this, guys. And I'm excited to let you know that Little Birdie is back up and running. They have lifted the lockdown, and they are back to making these gorgeous Little Birdie flowers. I love the little itty bitty ones. They come in so handy. And these micro roses are some of my absolute favorites. Look how darling those are. So I just have flowers galore here. I mean, it's just unbelievable. I'll just keep pulling out and we'll look at them together. Oh, look at this. I love when they do this. That is a little bouquet and you put it on your card and you're just done. More sweet roses. These beautiful Celebrate Life colors are some of my favorite. Look at this waterfall pack. You've got 4 different types of flowers in this one pack. You've got the roses, these sweet little daisies, then these kind of dahlia looking flowers, and then coordinating butterflies. So you can make beautiful arrangements with that. I love these beaded fancies with the little wood beads in the center. And these are just a great standard. These itty bitty bouquets. Stop it. Too cute. Can't stand it. And then these are fun. You could even put these in a shaker card, and I might. So here's another one of those wonderful waterfall packs in the moonlight. More of these gorgeous little bouquets. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Little Birdie. You're spoiling me. I'm so excited to see you are open again and to get some new flowers. Look at this, another gorgeous little cluster with these sweet little leaves tucked in there. That's beautiful. So this has a nice mix of these vintage looking ones and with these off-white. These are the Renees, which are probably in my top 5 favorites. They have these sweet little rhinestone centers and then gold beads, and then you get the foliage. Just gorgeous. I'm running out of places to put these. The tulips are really fun, and I use these a lot as seed pods. I cut them apart and tuck them in. Oh, look, and here's some chipboard. I love their primed chipboard. How wonderful. Thank you. My goodness, this just keeps going and going and going. I feel like I robbed the bank. See, I love things like this because you can tuck this into an arrangement and it just brings it to life. And gorgeous. These are really fun. I use these a lot. The Queenies. They're so pretty tucked into a floral cluster. And then look at all the chipboard. Holy cow, y'all. Y'all are spoiling me. I love these frames. I treat these. Have you tried out their, let me show you this. Have you tried out their metallic wax yet? I love this stuff. You just, it comes in this little tin and you just rub your finger in there and the heat from your finger melts the wax. And then you just brush your finger over the chipboard and you end up with a gorgeous kind of heirloom antique looking gold. I love these little guys. I cut these apart and I tuck them into floral arrangements. Words are always good. Monograms are fun. Oh my goodness, look at all of this chipboard. And their chipboard is all primed, so you can treat it with the metallic wax. You can use it as it is. You can paint it with distress ink or distress oxide. You can paint it with their chalk paints. I mean, you can do anything with it. Look at all this chipboard. Wowzy, wow, wow. I love it. Thank you so much. All the letters of the alphabet. So I see myself making some monogrammed pieces or spelling out words. I love these little tiny ones to tuck onto a card. Ooh, these are cool. I could see this used in a beach kind of project. Gorgeous lamppost. This chevron makes a big, great background. Unforgettable moments. Even this would be fun, the barbed wire on like a Western theme. And look at these cute little birds. Oh my goodness. This gorgeous lattice. And then a beautiful arched window against brick. This is great for mixed media, and this would be great with beach too, because this could look like bubbles in water if you colored it the right way. Oh my goodness, I am just tickled here. This is amazing. I can't get over it. I haven't even showed you. I mean, look, it just keeps going and going. Gears, frames. Oh, those medallions are beautiful. Look at these precious little flowers. Oh my gosh, I love putting these on wreaths. They're so pretty. Wow, guys, we could be here all day. This is amazing. I can't get over it. These are some of my favorites too. These are just tiny, and sometimes you just need a little tiny bit of filler to finish off a floral display. Look how small these are. That's my pinky. Oh my goodness, how precious. These go with the Celebrate Life, and this is another one of those wonderful waterfall packs. Oh my goodness, y'all, it just keeps going and going. More and more and more, all this wonderful chipboard. I'll tell you what, look at these wings. Wow, those are beautiful. This I love. That's gorgeous. I love having the words. These chipboard keys are cool because you can paint them to go with whatever you're using. These are great celebration sentiments. I love these little berry things, this wonderful screen. Here's a gorgeous gate. Wow. Yeah, I love honeycomb for my bee projects. Look at this sweet little bird. I love little birdie chipboard. This is a great size. These are great sized frames too. Oh, see what I mean? Like this little tiny, this gorgeous wreath, and then you put these little blossoms in there, and it's like, boom, you're done. So easy. Lollipop flowers, that's fun. Live every moment. And then these beautiful bold colors. These are great for summer and beach. Wow, I love these with little pearl centers. Look at these sweet little butterflies, and they're multi-layered, so you can lift the wings and make them dimensional. That's amazing. Rolled roses are some of my absolute favorites. I love these. You know me so well, Rashmi. You sent me everything I love. I love these Fiorella. These are great because you have all the foliage, and then you have the different style and size flowers, so you can make a beautiful arrangement with those. And then these, I think these are Serenade. Yeah, these are just such basic, wonderful, like they work with anything. Look at the centers in these, how sweet they are. These are Alvaro, beautiful. Another one of these gorgeous bouquet clusters that's Dylan in the Shabby Chic. And then, make sure I'm not missing any in here. Yeah, look at these little guys. I love these. I think these are the Queenie. Oh, no, Isabella. That's a new one. I love all the foliage. And look at, do you see the little seed pods? Those are so great for floral arrangements. It's really fun to mix and match, like big flowers and small flowers. It makes for a really gorgeous flower cascade. That is adorable. Another beautiful circular frame doily. Another one. Wow. These are so great. These are gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at those. This is Fairy Rose in the Aqua Medley. And that's all clustered together. All you have to do is stick it on your project and go. Then this beautiful vibrant palette. These are pretty, pretty. And then more of these sweet little beaded fancies. Now, I'm going to see if I can get this out of the box. I am super excited about this. Look what they sent me. I didn't even know. Let me move some of these things out of the way. I didn't even know that Little Birdie made a die cutting machine, and they do. I've never used it, so I thought we would take it for a trial run here. Let me move all this stuff out so you can really see it. There, look at that. It's called the Dream Cut. It cuts up to A5, which would be, I'm not sure what A5 is, but we'll measure it and we'll find out. But it will die cut and it will emboss. Let's go ahead and open this and see what we've got inside. But I think this is fairly new to Little Birdie. Is that right, Rashmi? Have you, whoops, goes this way. Have you had this a long time, or is this fairly new? But it's packaged beautifully. It comes with a warranty. Here's your cutting plates. And that's great. I love the color. All right. So it looks like I need to put the handle on, so we won't be able to take it for a test run today. But look how cute this is. And this looks like it will hold. This looks like it'll take up to a 6-inch. Let's see. Yeah, it will take almost, yeah, it'll take a 6-inch platform. Here's the handle. I like that it's compact. It doesn't take up half your desk area. And here's the handle. And it's metal. It is not plastic. Hello. Thank you very much. I'm so tired of plastic parts. But so that, and then they also sent me some of these beautiful little dies. This sweet oval. These wonderful tags. Those are super versatile. And then these fun bracket shapes. So I'll have to play with some of those for my next tutorial. But that is my unboxing video from Little Birdie Crafts. All kinds of gorgeous flowers, die cuts, and this gorgeous Dream Cut machine. And it looks fantastic. And it comes with, so I think you have like an embossing plate, your cutting plates, and then your platform. I'll have to read how to use it. I'm sure it's pretty basic, but I'll study this, and then I'll come back and we'll do some die cutting together. Anyway, that's it for me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design, with my Little Birdie allotment. I am just blown away. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Rashmi and Little Birdie Crafts. And now I'm going to go get my craft on. Bye.